we will discuss about the communication. Friends, what is communication? We are busy, always busy in communication, but it is very difficult to define it. The word communication. A learned person might say communication is something so simple and different that we can never put in simple words. Friends, it is very different and very simple, but it is, the expression of communication is very tough. So, you will take another definition from Oxford English Dictionary: exchange of ideas and thoughts. We are always busy in making the communications. We are very busy in communication. We are here, it is just like a communication. The principal of this college informs us, this is also communication. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji says the Man Ki Baat is also the communication. They are always passes through the communication. Another definition of Keith Davis. Keith Davis says that communication is sharing an information between two persons. Communication is sharing an information between two persons because there may be at least two persons. Without two or more persons, it is very difficult to make a communication. Because in exchange also there are two persons, and if you think about the communication in business sector, it is very essential for communication. The customers come to the businessman, and when communication is good, then he is very efficient. And when communication is not good, there may be some problems. So a businessman should be efficient in the field of communication. According to my point of view, communication is the blood of human being. Not only the blood of human beings, but all creatures in the earth, on the earth, and flying in the sky. They are always making a communication. If you will see the creature just like as bee, he is dancing. What is acting? If he is doing the acting of dance, it is also communication, and make the communication from the dancing. Friends, we take the nature and characteristics of the communication, then we will found that the communication involves at least two persons. At least two persons. So it is the binomial process. Binomial process, there are at least two persons. The second one is message is must. There must be a message. Without message, the communication is not possible. Another point, two-way process. Communication is the continuously process. It is just going on, and always be going on. So it is the two-way process. The next, continuous process. It is going on continuously. I already told you. Need a proper medium. There is need of proper medium of communication. Without proper medium of communication, the communication is not possible. So medium is required here. Medium, just like as mobile, just like as fax, just like as email, just like as DTH, TV system, or overhead projectors, and another type of information of medium to make an efficient communication. So friends, communication is very essential for our daily life. Friends, the other point is bridge of intellectual efficiency. The communication is a bridge of communication, efficient, make it efficient between the intellectual persons. If there is no communication, there is no transformation of intellectual competency. Other is the tools of relation development. We are living in society. We are men. We make the family. We make the community. And the word communication is originated from the Latin word communico. It is just come from community. We are living in community. And man is parasite to another person. Always you want to make the same communication. So friend, communication is very essential. If we see the scope of and function of the communication, we will found the sharing of information. We share the information between the parties. We share the information among the persons. Every creature on the earth, they always we share the information just like as communication. The second is feedback. Friends, feedback is very essential for communication. Without feedback, there is no importance of communication because when the sender is sending the message and other person is receiving the message and receiver another time he is sender and send the sender other time so it is the receiver and this is going on. This is, you can say in other words that it is the cyclic position of communication. The cyclic position of communication, we will define it just like a figure. Another portion, effect of communication. There may be effect of communication. Then it will be efficient. Either it will not efficient to make and signify the communication. Another point, basis of control. It is the basis. This is the infrastructure. This is the basis of control. The administrative person controls the society through the communication. Without communication, it is not possible to make a communication. So friends, solution of problems. The communication help in solution of problems. If there is problem, the problem can be solved with the help of communication. Another point, create decision making ability. If a person is efficient in communication, then he create the decision making ability. Other the group constructions, the communication create group constructions. Without communication, it is not possible. So it is the very essential for communication that make the group construction from the communication. Friends, we will describe it through a point, some points. There is a sender. There is a sender who want to share the information to another person. Then he encode the language, the message for the receiver. He sent it through a channel or medium, and when receiver receive this message, he decode the message. He decode the message through the medium, but the receiver is maybe competent to describe the message in that medium, in that language. If we are giving the information in Sanskrit, if we are giving the information in Sanskrit and the receiver is not efficient in Sanskrit, then it is a problem to understand the communication. So when the receiver send the message to the sender for understanding what is saying through the feedback, then it will efficient. This time the receiver is sender and sender is receiver. So this communication goes on just like a cyclic position from sender to receiver through channel and medium and coding and decoding, and another time it is revolves many times and many times. This is known as communication. So friends, it is very useful in our daily life, and a businessman, if he is efficient, then he make an profitability in that sector. Thank you very much.